A very good evening to everyone. For today's Excel training, I'll be teaching you people on how to add multiple lines of text to a cell simplified. So basically, as you can see here, is that this is one of the worksheets that I have. Basically, most of the times is that when you key in the text to the cell, like for example, I key in line 1, I press enter, I key in line 2, or I key in then the next one, line 3, when I press enter, it will usually drop down to the row at the bottom. So what happens right now here is that I want to put the three statement here, line 1, line 2, line 3 into one cell. How do I do it? So basically is that you go to cell B3, you type in line 1, and then after that, you press alternate enter, and then you type in line 2, then after that, press alternate enter, and then type in line 3, and then you press enter. So you can see that it's very easy to add multiple lines of text to a cell. So by using the Alt plus Enter on your keyboard to ensure that this line 1, 2, and 3 is residing in one cell. I hope this Excel uh, tricks is able to make your Excel working in your workplace easier for you to perform your job. And if you like my training, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time in listening to my video. Bye bye and have a good day ahead.